Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove Yahoo search from Chrome. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to click on three dots on the top right and click on settings. So once you are here, then you simply need to click on startup. So here you need to select open a specific page or set of pages. So here you can see that I selected Google. So here you need to click on add a new page and add www.google.com and hit add. As you can see that I already added. So once you've done that, after that you need to click on search engine, and here you can see search engine used in the address bar. So if your Yahoo is selected here, you simply need to move to the Google, and here you can see that Google is default search engine here as well. So this is the simple process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.